The Dodge Ram 5.9 diesel truck earned its reputation by running strong, towing hard, and refusing to quit. But after years of work, factory injectors can start to show their age with rough idle, smoke, and sluggish throttle response. Dynomite Diesel Patriot Series Injectors are built to refresh and restore your 5.9 Ram, providing you with a remanufactured fuel injector that's built to tight tolerances, giving you consistent fueling you can rely on. These fuel injectors are sold individually, so inside the box, you'll find a single DDP Patriot Series injector that comes ready for installation. Each injector features replaced critical components like control valves, as well as new nozzles for proper atomization and fuel delivery. DDP's remanufacturing processes aren't budget processes, meaning this isn't a quick, clean, reassemble and ship out the door rebuild. DDP calibrates each injector for consistent fueling, helping to reduce smoke, smoothen out your idle, and restore lost throttle response in your truck. If your high-mileage 5.9 Ram isn't running like it used to, Dynomite Diesel Patriot Series Injectors are a smart, reliable way to bring back the smooth, dependable performance these trucks are known for. Get yours today at XDP.